Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pasta salad. You will need 12 ounces of tricolor rotini pasta, 1.5 cups of Italian dressing, 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 5 ounces of pepperoni, 4 ounces of salami, 1 English cucumber, 1 cup of red onion, 1/2 cup of yellow bell pepper, 1/2 cup of green bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 3 ounces of black olives, 4 ounces of pimento peppers, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add your water and salt to a pot, then bring to a boil. Now add your pasta and allow it to cook for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 7 minutes, turn off your heat, then pour off your water, then set your pasta aside for 10 minutes before constructing your salad. To a large bowl, add your pasta, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Now add the onion, olive, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Now add the pimentos, parsley, pepperoni, and salami. Add the mozzarella, then pour in the dressing. Now mix until all the ingredients are well combined and well coated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grasp